we have boreal forests. So, boreal forests are actually located kind of below tundras. So, we are moving from the pole latitudes down south. So, we have this band here again in parts of North America and Canada, or well, that's North America, northern parts of Europe, and then also Russia again. So they can get pretty cold, not as cold as a tundra, but they do have cold winters. Their temperatures can range from 23 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit on average. They have kind of moderate levels of precipitation, definitely more than a tundra. So they have anywhere between 12 to 33 inches of rain. So here's a climatograph for a typical boreal forest, is looking at British Columbia. And so, how you can tell if this is a boreal forest, it does kind of, well, here again, we have temperatures on this y axis, precipitation on this, and then months on here. If you look at the temperature range, it can get cold looking at the y axis. However, it's not as cold as a tundra. And if you look at the precipitation levels, these bars are definitely a lot higher than what we saw in the tundra. So, they definitely have a lot more precipitation. And so there are different plants that are also adapted to live in this kind of environment as well. This whole biome is dominated by evergreen trees and also a group we call coniferous trees. They are conifers. So these trees have those needle like leaves and they produce seed cones, sometimes like we call pine cones. So think of your Christmas tree, those are conifers. To help save energy, especially during times of low light, we'll have plants that will drop their leaves to help save some energy. To help trap some of that water, they also will have a waxy coating on their leaves. Because they don't have as much sunlight as biomes further on south, they do have a shorter growing season versus other biomes. And they also have shorter roots as well in this environment because the ground can get kind of cold. So here are images of all the different types of evergreen and also conifer trees right here. And here are those seed cones. You can see they have modified leaves that are form of needles. And they do that to help save water actually. And so just like the tundra, they are going to have animals that are going to be camouflaging with this environment. They will have periods of snow and stuff. So we'll have really light colored or white colored animals. So we have foxes and lynx. Lynx is this cat right here. Moose, reindeer, bears, wolves. Because it doesn't get cold, some will have thick fur again that's usually light in color, so they're able to camouflage. During cold times, we may have animals that will be burrowing for warmth and also, again, hibernate during those cold winter months. All right, guys, that is boreal forest.